look at Marco.
So I read Marco. Marco understands the storyline. Miss Raymond.
Let's take a minute and look right now for a minute, and then we're going.
He does a lot of.
Mhm.
Yes, he goes back and.
But let's look at it. Because did he just copy? Because he didn't just copy. Read his response. Because that's what Marco normally does. But there was a difference here. Okay, so Marco was at a not yet. But Marco had some thinking here. Marco was able to identify that she was shot, and because she was shot, she was separated from her family. He understood that they didn't have enough money to go to England, and that she wrote father on the piece of paper. Did he cite textual evidence? Kind of, sort of, but he paraphrased.
It's almost like he summarized, but he knew the question.
He knew the question. He summarized, but he knew the question. But I want y'all to see what Marco used to do.
Well, yeah.
This is Marco from before. What did Marco do here?
You can see that he understands. He just doesn't know the format.
Yes, because Marco just wrote from the text. He just cited from the text. But Marco's moving from citing from the text to actually understanding what the question is asking and putting it in paragraphs. So we can see that because I asked those guiding questions, I circulated, I asked those guiding questions, I knew what I was looking for as I circulated. So I circulated with a purpose. And if a student was struggling, I was able to direct them back to those answers. So I didn't give it to them, but I was actually able to see their thinking as I directed them back to what the purpose of the lesson was.